show y'all something. Y'all see this right here? This, ladies and gentlemen, is a glazed donut fried chicken sandwich.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back. What is up? It is your boy, Big Greg. And I'm back again with Rick Nation Eats. Alright guys, you already know where I'm at. You already know I'm about to eat. So, without further ado, let me get y'all up and close and personal to this glazed donut fried chicken sandwich from FRY THE COOP right now. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a brioche bun. This is not a pretzel bun. It is not a potato bun. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a sweet, sticky, sugary, glazed donut bun. Open this up here. Oh, we got the nice, crispy fried chicken sandwich. Alright, that's enough. Enough talking. Eat. Alright, guys, here we go. I'm going to go right there. Because, see, y'all see all that sauce and that pickle just sitting there? That's where I'm going. Mm-hmm. Hold on a minute. Mm-hmm. 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 Look at this. Y'all know how I like my chicken sandwiches. I like her thick with 4 C's. And this chicken sandwich is thick with 4 C's. The snap of the savory pickle with this special sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce it is, but it's tangy and it's delicious. But the first thing I get is that delicious, soft, decadent, sweet, glazed donut. That's the first thing I hit. That's the first thing that hits my palate. It's that sweet, tooth-savoring, sweet, glazed, soft donut. And then the savory comes in right behind it. Y'all know what? This is so good. This right here is dangerous. Because as I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted, this is dangerous. FRY THE COOP. Holla at your boy. This right here, man. Mmm. 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 If I got stuff in my mouth, I don't care. Crunchy. Well seasoned. The donut. Mmm. 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 This is so sticky. Look at that thick chicken. It's moist. Thick. Crunchy. The bun is sweet, glazed, mixed with the savoriness of the spices of the chicken. Yeah. Watch the calorie count on this. This is dangerous. You mess around, eat 3 of these, you'll be over. Boy. Lord. Y'all see that? Don't use a napkin. This is finger looking good. No, you know what? I forgot what I'm gonna say. This is delicious, y'all. If y'all have a FRY the COOP in your neighborhood, if it's in the vicinity, if it's an hour drive, get in your car, take that hour drive, and you go. Believe that. They originated in Nashville, I think. Man, that was good. That was some good eating, y'all. That was good. Y'all need to check that out. Now, I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in. Look at this. It sounds disgusting, but I'm gonna lick these clean. Y'all see that? Thank you for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You will not be disappointed. I always say on my channel, guys, please be safe. I'm gonna lick my fingers clean. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. And as always, peace from Rick Nation Eats.